Welcome back, and in this last video that I'm going to do for this morning is going to be a quick one. We're going to add in a little visual effects. So what is happening now? What's happening now is my ship can hit the asteroid, and if it hits it twice, the asteroid then destroys, which is working fine, but it'd be kind of cool if we added in a little visual effect so that the player knows that they actually hit it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close that. Let's get back into Stencil. Okay, so you want to go to your Asteroid Actor tab, and you want to go to Events, and you want to make sure that over here on the left you click on your Custom Event. So this is when it detects that the trigger happens, and it's decreasing the health of the asteroid by 1. We want to go over here to the Actors category, and you'll see that we've got all these subcategories here. We want to go to Effects, and this is where you can do some pretty neat little visuals. So what we want is this one here that says Apply Effect to Actor. So we're going to drag and drop that. We're going to place it right underneath the decrement block. So then we're going to take, there's a couple pre-made effects over here, so you can actually tint the color, which is really cool. We're going to choose Make Negative, and we're going to drag and drop it right inside here. And let's see, you can also do, under Basics, you can just do it here as well, so whichever you prefer. Okay, so the Make Negative, that's going to make sort of a flashing effect, and you'll see it in just a moment, and it's going to do Self. Okay, so when we get hit, it's going to flash the asteroid. Then what we want to do is we need to take away the flash effect. So if we leave it like it is right now, let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's the game, and if I shoot an asteroid, you'll see that it stays just like that. So that's the negative effect. It's doing like a photo negative effect. And you could leave it like that, which is kind of cool. It makes it look like it's sort of frozen in time, I guess. So I can destroy it still, but it just holds on that. Okay, so we don't want that. So to make the actual flashing, now what we want to do is we want to go here to the Flow category, and under Flow go to Time, and then grab a Do After Blank Seconds block. And this is what's going to make the flash effect. So we're going to say Do After, and we're going to do 0.1 seconds. Okay, so really quick. Then we're going to go back to Actors, Effects, and we're going to say remove all the effects from the actor. Okay, so this turns the effect on, this turns the effect off after 0.1 seconds. That's literally it. You've now made a flash effect, and you can do this now to any character, any enemy, and it's a really nice effect. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are in game. And you can see that it flashes, and then it removes the effect, and then it goes away. Alright, so that is good to go. Okay, and as a bonus, I'll just show you here, I'm going to drag out the Make Negative effect, which is the flash, or the flash effect, and I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to change the effect to Tint Using, and so this is really cool. You can choose whatever color you want. So I could choose a light green, a red, whatever color you choose. You just want to make sure that that the players can be able to see it. So I'll choose a bright red, and then you need to make sure that you type in a percentage number here. So I'm just going to type in 50 for 50%. See what that looks like. Then maybe I'll actually slow this down a little bit. I'll say after maybe 0.4 seconds or something like that. I don't know. Just play around with it. See what you like. Okay, so here it is. Here's the effect now, hopefully. Let me choose a slow one. Okay, so you can see it there. So you can change the timing, but you see that it's changing its hue, and then it's coming back. It's a little too slow for my taste. I'll probably speed that back up to maybe 0.2 seconds or something like that. But you can see it's actually working. So now you can have, you can go total old school and have your characters actually change colors. You can take it a step further and make different enemies tint different colors. So maybe a smaller enemy tints a yellow color, and maybe a boss character tints a blue color or a red color or something like that, green. You know, make yourself happy. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. I will see you in the next one.